Hey, fourth grade, just wanted to show you what we're going to be working on this week in math, and we're going to be working on dividing numbers. So we're going to take what you learned last week about multiplying, and we're going to turn that into some easier ways to do division. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you one division problem just to kind of show you how it's going to work this week. So we'll start out with something pretty basic. We have 462, and we're going to divide that by 3. Now I know people know there's a lot of different ways to do division. This week we're going to focus just on this one way so you can get nice and strong at it, and then once you get really strong at it you can go ahead and do some shortcut methods. But we're going to focus on this box method for this week. So we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing you do is draw a box. And we're going to put out on the side, we're going to be dividing by 3. Okay, so we'll start out with our whole number. It is 462. And we're going to think, how many times can 3 go into that? So let's start out by covering up and just having the one digit show. Okay, the one digit that we have showing is 4. So we know that the closest thing when you're multiplying by 3 is 3 times 1. And that equals 3. So we have 2 digits after that, so we need to make sure we have our zeros there. So we go 3 times 100 is 300. So what we multiplied it by, that 100, we put that on top of our box. And what we got for a product, we will go ahead and subtract. And that leaves 162. So we'll draw another box. And this time we will start out with 162. Okay, let's do just like we did the last time. We'll cover up all but the first digit, and 1. Well, we know 3 times any number can't be 1. So we'll uncover the second digit, and that is a 6. Well, if I know my multiplication facts pretty well, 3 times 5 is 15. So that's pretty close to 16. So let's write up here. Okay, so that covers these first 2 digits. Well, we have one more digit left. So we'll have to put a place value there. So it's 3 times 50 equals 150. So we'll put the 50 right up there. Let's subtract our product of 150, and that leaves us 12. So we draw another box, we write 12 in here, and then we're going to multiply 3 times some number, cover up the first digit, 1, we know from back here 1 doesn't work, so the second digit makes it a 12. So we know 3 times 4 equals 12. Then we put the 4 up here, and we subtract the 12, and that gives us 0. So we don't need to subtract anymore because we have everything subtracted. So then we go ahead and add this up. It's 100 plus 50 plus 4 equals 154. And you're done.